Again, hello everyone. Very good evening to everybody. I hope I'm audible and visible. So let's start with our session. Let us start with our session. So this is going to be the top 200 series that I'm running. So again, we'll do a few very good questions of advanced maths. So yesterday, like in the last week also, I've given you few questions. We have solved it together. So this is just a continuation of that. We will be keep on doing this. Chalo. So we have done. So we'll start from like exactly where we had left off. So first things first, this is your first question of the day. So without any further ado, let's start. This is the first question right in front of you. And again, I'll give you guys a few seconds to solve. This is one of the easier questions. So again, I'm giving you only 40 seconds. It should be solved within that much time. It should be solved within that much amount of time. So again, 40 seconds time. Sir, solve. Please solve. 40 seconds time. Please solve this, sir. Please solve. जल्दी से. जल्दी से, sir. Anyone? Any answers? Any answers? Any answers whatsoever? Any answers whatsoever? Chalo, let's see. The slant height of a cone is given. So L is given, sir. This is L. If the area of the base is given 616, okay. So they are asking the curved surface area of the cone. Sir, area of the base is given. Meaning, sir, area of the base is a circle. So pi r square is given as 616. Now pi r square means 22 by 7 into r square is this. Sir, solve it. Sir, 11 twos are this, 11 56 are this, 11 fives are 55, 6 are this. So again 28. So R will be directly, sir, this is 4 into 7 and this 7 will go this side. So it will become 2 into 7, that is 14. R is 14. So again they are asking the surface area, curved surface area. So it is pi into R into L. So again the answer is not in terms of pi. So again I have to put the value of pi. 22 by 7 into 14 into L. L is what, sir? L I have just figured out to be, acha, L is given as this. Sir, calculate. Just calculate this. So again, you will say 22, 44, 88. 880 will be the answer, which is there in option number 4. Now again, many people, you see, what's the difference? Why? Sir, you'll say this is a very tier 1 level question. Why in the world? Panmay, very good evening, brother. Very good evening. And to all the others as well. Now, you might say, sir, why in the world you are asking this? Like this is a very tier 1 level question. Please understand the difference. Tier 1 may, when this question will come, we will solve it like checking for the 11 multiple. Most of the time you will see out of 4 options, only one option will give you 11 multiple. Why? Because curved surface area is pi RL, so it's a multiple of pi. Pi is a multiple of 11 because 22 by 7. But again, this is multiple of 11, this is multiple of 11, this is multiple of 11. So you have to do a couple of questions. And again, another reason I started off with an easier question. This is also a little easy. This is also a little on the easier side. Again, we will level up as we go along. Sir, अच्छा एक काम करते हैं sir. We will come back to this. We will come back to this. So let's do this now. We will come back to mensuration. Mensuration is always a little on the easier side if you know the formulas. Let's start with this now, everybody. I am giving you guys a few seconds. 1 minute देते हैं sir. Solve and tell me the answer quickly. Very quickly solve and tell me the answer, please. Very quickly solve and tell me the answer, sir. If tan is given, they are asking something. What can we do? Tell me. Again, no need. You don't need pen and paper for this. You should say option 1 is the answer. You should say by now. Everybody. Everybody. Now, again, Ritik is saying a very, very good, brother. Very good. Now, why did I say this? Sir, root 3, it is equal to tan 60 degree. Meaning A plus B stands for 60 degree. So my equation, same way, sir. 1 by root 3, meaning this stands for tan 30 degrees, sir. Now, why in the world I can say this? Because it's given, sir. A plus B is between 0 to 90 and A is greater than B. So, definitely A minus B I can say that is equal to, sir, 30 degree. Now, just add this to equation, B cancels. 2A is equal to 90. So, A is 45. If A is 45, A plus B 60. So, B must be 15 degrees, sir. Why? Because A is greater than B given. So my answer has to be option 1. My answer has to be option number 1. Yes, Prava, perfect, perfect, absolutely perfect. Now again, these are all PYQs. If you want, I can tell you the year and the shift as well. These are all PYQs. Nothing has been made by me, including this one. ये भी सही है. चलो sir. Let's do this. Again, a minute's time, everybody. Again, a minute's time, everyone. Solve this, please. Very quickly solve this. Solve this very, very quickly. Solve this, sir, very quickly. Very, very quickly solve this. Jaldi se. Solve. Need answers, need answers, need answers. Ritik has already given answer as D. Acha, Ritik is again saying A. Acha, A. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else wants to answer? Anybody else wants to answer? Sir, just a second. ये गड़बड़ कर रहा है. Acha, sir, what will be the best approach for this? Please understand the best approach. See, sir, this is given. Now there are a couple of ways to go about this. I will show you two different ways. Sir, one is definitely a little faster than the other. Sir, one is, sir, this thing for those who knows, sir, this is equal to cos 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. That is equal to half. Half means, sir, cos 60 degree. So meaning 2 theta is 60, theta is 30 degrees. Everybody can say this? Yes. Sir, एक बार theta निकल गया. If I can figure out theta, then I can figure out everything. Tan square 2 theta, meaning tan square 60 degree, plus sin square 3 theta, meaning sin square 90 degree. So this is root 3 square, that is 3. This is 1 square is 1. So answer 4, sir. This is one way to think. But again, what you'll do, say for example, for a brief moment of time, you just completely went blank. You don't know this is the formula. First of all, that should not happen. You should keep your practice to to such a level that this thing should not happen. Now, even if this happens, then also there is another way. Sir, what is that? So this is method 1. This is method 1 and this is recommended. This is only recommended. Again, I'm just showing you another method. Ki dekho, if you want, somebody can think like this as well. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is given. This is given as half. And also one thing we know from that beginning of time, that is, this is 1, sir. If you add them, 2 cos square theta becomes 3 by 2, sir. So from there, cos square theta becomes 3 by 4, sir. And as theta lies in the first quadrant, meaning positive only, cos theta, it is root 3 by 2. Or, sir, theta is equal to 30 degree. Sir, we can figure out the value of theta from here as well. Then the line is same. Then the solution, entire solution is same. But again, you see, here I could have done this in one go, one line, two lines. But again, here we had to do seven, like 6, 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the difference. Now, which way you prefer? I'll recommend definitely this way. Done, sir. Moving on. Moving on, sir. Next one. Next question right in front of you guys. Chalo, I'm giving you a minute and 20 seconds as this is a geometry question. But again, I'm giving you time. I need answers. I need and want answers. I need and want answers. Chalo, sir, quickly, quickly, quickly. Tell me. Tell me the answer, sir. And again, if you're liking the session, please do hit that like. That is the only way this session gets a little rich. So again, if you're liking the session, please do hit the like. Chalo, sir. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Answers, answers, answers. Need answers. Need answers, sir. Need answers. Need answers. Again, this is a PYQ as well. Most probably from 2019. Most probably, as far as I remember, it is from 2019. Chalo, sir. Time is up. No answers. Any answer? अरे फिर से नहीं. Any answers, sir? Any answers? Sir, an equilateral triangle ABC surmounts a and square. No, sir. A square. This one, BCDE. Sir, please understand. Reading this, you must understand or you must notice. Sir, BC is the common side. So, how will the diagram look? So, the diagram will look something like this. Diagram will look something like this. अरे यार. नहीं करना था सर. अच्छा, लेट्स डू वन थिंग. इसको इस तरफ ले चलो. Okay. So this way we can just we have done this. It's better. So this is A, sir, and this is B, this is C, and BC, this is D, this is E. This is how the diagram looks. Okay. Now the value of EAB angle, EAB. Chalo, let's make it. Sir, EAB is this angle, sir, plus 3 angle AEB. AEB means AEB. Sir, meaning, sir, this angle. They are asking us this value. ये कैसे होगा? चलो सर समझते हैं. देखो, this looks only very weird, very this. Actual में this is very simple. Why? Sir, देखो, we all know this is 90 degrees, sir, because it's a square, and this is an equilateral triangle. That means this is 60 degrees, sir. So that means this whole angle is 150 degree. Done. Now look at this triangle ABE. In this particular triangle, sir, Sir, BE and AB, they are equal, na sir? Sir, why is that? Because ABCD is a square, so that means all its sides are equal. And ABC, that's an equilateral triangle. All its sides are also equal. And they have a common side. That means all these sides and all these sides all are equal to each other. So that means in this triangle, this side is equal to this side. So this angle and this angle both are equal, sir. And both are equal to what? In this triangle, the total sum of angles must be, sir, 180. One angle itself is 150. So this angle must be, remaining is 30. Half of 30 is this. Half of 30 is this. So 15 and 15. बैठा दो value, sir. So 15 degree into 3 plus 15. That means 4 times 15 degree. That is 60 degrees, sir. Option number 4 is the answer. Option number 4. Yes, Ritik, D is your correct answer. Absolutely correct. Now again, you see, it's not difficult by any stretch. But again, it's a good question. Not your usual cup of tea. देखोगे कर दोगे ऐसा नहीं है. And again, in CGL Tier 2, you must expect this kind of questions itself. ऐसा ही आपको expectation रहना चाहिए. चलो सर, अच्छा इसमें जाएंगे. Just let's change the flavor a little bit. Let's change the flavor a little bit, sir. Let's do this. Let us do this, everyone. Again, अच्छा, let me give you some time as well. Sir, let me give you 1 minute 20 seconds. Again, very extra time I've given, much extra time, but again, chalo. I need answers from everybody. I want answers from everyone. Give me answers. Give me answers, sir. Chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. Answers, answers, answers. Anyone? Anyone, sir? Answers. Ritik has given answer as A. Ritik has given answer as A, sir. Good question. Let's see, brother. Ritik, you are correct actually. You are actually correct. देख के तो वही लग रहा है. Okay. Ritik, I think you are correct, brother. As far as I am concerned. चलो, let's see. कैसे होगा? 3 circles are kept touching each other. So in my foundation batches, I have done this question, but again, those were 4 circles. That question. In it here, it's three circles. चलो, अच्छा ही है. ठीक है. Drawing the third circle is a little challenging. ठीक ठाक लग रहा है ना? हाँ, it's okay. Looks good. Looks good, sir. So 3 circles. Now what they are doing? They are saying that these circles are kept touching each other. A string is tightly tied around this. String is tied very tightly around this, like this. अरे यार, ठीक है. This is what it is. Now, meaning, sir, this is how my string will look, sir. Okay, this is how my string will look. अरे यार, Okay, this is how my string looks. Now they are asking find the length of this string. देखो, sir, it's a very symmetric structure, and this length has two parts to it. क्या क्या parts है? First is this part. This angle. This angle is 120 degree. Why? Because you see there are three circles, and you can check, sir. Like it is dividing the circle, or rather, I should, if I draw it more accurately, na, so it will look something like this. And you see, this is, if this is 120, then this is also 120, this is also 120. So meaning first, meaning I'll just get I will just get this length, sir. So this length is arc length. How much? 120 degree by 360 degree. Unitary method, sir, into 2 pi r. 2 pi r means 44. अच्छा, pi में ही तो है, sorry. It is given as in terms of pi options. You see options में pi है, तो we'll keep the pi. So 2 pi. R is 4, sir. R is given as 4. Right? But sir, there are three such things. So into 3 kar dete. So that way, na sir, I will get this part and also the area of this part. So this length. These three lengths are figured out. Calculate. So this is 3 times 3 cancels. So this is 8 pi. Right? So again, honestly speaking, from there only you can say option A is the answer. Why? Because you see 8 pi is there in only one option. All the other options are having different number of pi's. But still, let's understand. Now, the job remaining is to find this length. Sir, kaise aayega? You see, you will get. Sir, this is radius. This is also radius. So 4 and 4 meaning this is 8. This is 8 means this is 8. This is 8 means this is 8. So 8, 8, 8 totals are 24. Plus this 8 pi. Sir, that itself is your answer, option number 1. That itself is your answer. ठीक है? Mukesh, you drop a mail in in the Oliveboard, okay? So they, if possible, they will definitely help you, brother. Okay? So definitely they will help you. तो आप एक मेल ड्रॉप करो, अगर वो लोग कर पाएगा तो डेफिनेटली दे विल हेल्प यू. ठीक है मुकेश? सो उतना टेंशन मत लो, उतना टेंशन मत लो. सर, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भाई, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चिल करो, पढ़ाई में ध्यान दो मुकेश. Always remember, everything will turn out to be fine. Chalo. Life is full of ups and downs. Sir, next one, please do. Sir, please do. Please do this. Tell me the answer. Centroid, this. So again, CGL is focusing, or SSC rather is focusing so much on what? On this, on coordinate geometry. So again, if your coordinate geometry preparation is not up to the mark, it is time that you put a little pressure or little stress on this. ये थोड़ा अच्छा चीज़ है. Okay? How to get, Prava is saying, how to get, Prava, think like this, Prava. So there are three circles, na? Three circles, na? So it will be divided one, so this whole string, na, it will divide 1/3 of circle. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. ऐसे करके सोचो. Okay? You can think in this fashion. It will divide 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. You just draw that figure properly using a scale compass if possible. You will get 1/3. Just use the symmetry concept. Just use a little bit of street smartness. देखो ऑटोमेटिक वही आएगा. Getting my point? Because 120 डिग्री क्या होता है देखो. The total circle is 360 degree and there are 3 such circles. So that is why we have taken 120. And again, always remember, ऐसे ही चलता है. If you take 4 circles, ना ऐसे, if you take 4 circles, so the angular part of the like the string will be 360 degree by 4. So automatically you get to that conclusion. Done? Now, this one, sir. This one, sir. Sir, centroid. Sir, centroid. How to figure out centroid? Centroid is always nothing but, sir, average. If you don't know what centroid is nothing but your average, sir. Kaisa average? So let's say there is a circle. Let's say there is a circle. Okay, sorry, there is a triangle. Kya circle? So there are A, B, C. So this is A, B, and C. This is given as XY. This is given as minus 3, 7, and this is given as 9, 7. In my foundation batches, I have given you the derivation ki why this is average. Derive karke aata hai from section formula, right? Now, centroid, we generally say G. G is nothing but average. So G is given here. G is given as 4, 3, sir. Chalo. Now that means X coordinate will be average of the X coordinates. Chalo, idhar se I'll get the value of X. So average of X coordinates means X, this is plus 9, this is minus 3, divided by 3 will give you centroid ka X coordinate. So from there, X will be X plus 6, it is equal to 12. Rather, X is equal to 6. Now, again, sir, same you do for Y. Sir, Y plus 7 by 3, average. It will give you the Y coordinate, that is 3, sir. Sir, Y is 9 minus this minus 5, sir. Perfect. So from there, you will see, sir, X comma Y is 6 comma minus 5. That's done. That's your XY value. Now what they're asking, area of the triangle, sir. Area, Reena is saying D. Reena, let's see. Reena, let's see. Most probably you are correct, Reena. Let's see. Now, all 3 points we know. Sir, how to figure out the area? You will say, sir, ये तो आप बहुत गंदा काम कर रहे हो. देखो, sir. I've taught you this. कि not only for triangle, for like rectangle, pentagon, सब में ये काम आएगा. 6 minus 5, then 9, 7, then minus 3, 7. But again, the first one you need to write another time. चलो calculate करते हैं, sir. So area will be, sir, half modulus 6 into 7, 9 into 7, meaning 15 into 7, 105. 105 and 15, 120, sir. Minus 45 minus 21, 45, 21, 66. And sir, plus this is, this will become plus 66, right? And minus 42, sir. This is the calculation. कर लो calculation, sir. Half है ना, तो this is 60 plus 33 minus 21. 21, 33, 12, sir. So your answer will be 72. So 72 square units, option number 4. This is your correct answer, sir. Now again, if anyone here is not really comfortable using this or they don't know this, so this you have to look for in the foundation batches. ये foundation batches में मैंने करवाया. This has a particular advantage over the traditional formula. Why? If it is, we are talking about centroid of a triangle. It might be a pentagon, it might be a hexagon, it might be a quadrilateral. So the triangle formula is limited towards triangle. That also comes from here only. But again, if you kind of prepare the formula like this, you don't need to remember anything first of all. Another thing is you can figure out like whatever like sided polygon it is. triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, anything. So this is a much well-rounded formula, or rather well-rounded way of figuring out area. Okay, sir. Okay, everyone. So this is a question. Now, why this question becomes really very important? Because SSC is focusing a lot into coordinate geometry. So there is a high chance that in your mains exam you might encounter a few questions from here. ठीक है सर? PYQ है ये भी. This is also a PYQ. Let me give you some time. Minute. A minute should be fine. A minute should be fine, sir. A minute should be fine. Please do, sir. Please do this. Do this, please. Jaldi, jaldi. Jaldi, jaldi, sir. Panmay is saying 1600. Reena is saying 1600. Acha. So many answers. Very, very good. Ritik is also saying 1600. Very, very good. Ritik gave us the first answer. Very good. Very good. Chalo, I'm then stopping the timer. Volume, again, I guess this question was a little too easy. Sab logon ne. And timer, I've overestimated this question. Volume of a cone whose radius of the base and height r and h is this. So cone is 1/3 pi r square h. This is 400 given. What will be the volume whose radius? So 2r hai. Sir, it will become into 4, sir. Sir, if you see, radius becomes 2r. So this is r square. So that means 2r square. So it will become 4 times. Sorry, I should have given only 10 seconds to you guys. I should have given only 10 seconds to you guys. Sir, again, this is a mains ka PYQ. That's why I thought, अरे इसमें कुछ रहेगा. But again, as we can see, there is nothing of substance there. चलो ठीक है. रुको. Sir, let's do this. अच्छा, ये एक question अभी नहीं. We are doing this mensuration ना, तो we left this question. ये वाला करो, वो वाला करेंगे बाद में. We will do that. But again, first you do this. Radius of a solid right circular cone is this. And its height is given. Total surface area they are asking. It's just formula. Sir, pi r into r plus L. That's the formula. That's the formula, sir. चलो काम करते sir. R we know. Radius is 36. R is 36. But sir, L though I don't know. L, sir, height, no, I know, sir, this I know. So L will be, sir, you will say, ये कैसे आएगा? अच्छा, pi they have kept as it is. Pi they have kept as it is. Sir, what will be the value of L? You guys please tell me. What will be the value of L, sir? L का value क्या होगा, sir? Triplet, sir. Just a quick update like this. It will be a triplet. It is a triplet, sir. Triplet आएगा, sir. Anyone? Any clue? Any clue, sir? What will be that triplet? Ritik, Panmay, Reena. What will be that triplet, sir? क्या होगा वो triplet? What will that triplet be? Reena, Panmay, Ritik, what will be that value? बताओ सर, बताओ क्या होगा सर? 1 1 1. अच्छा सर, देखो 35 37 and 12. ये ट्रिपलेट होता है सर, याद है? This is a triplet, sir. You guys remember? And you can check, sir. 35 means 12, 25 and 1, 4, 4. 9. So this is 6, 3, 1, 1369. That's a 37 square. Correct? So this is 12, 35, 37. Sir, I told you any triplet you multiply the whole, all three numbers with any particular integer, it will always become a triplet. Sir, 3 se multiply karo 36, 105, and this will 337s are 111. So that is how we get 111. This is L. And once you get it, so this is 111. So it is pi into 36 into. So this is 111, 36, sir, 7, sir, 14. That's the answer. Sir, again, 6 sevens are 42. Sir, 2 will be the unit digit. That's there in only one option. So that is my answer. Option number 2. Option number 2, that has to be my only answer. So again, I don't need to do the final this big of a calculation. कुछ नहीं चाहिए, कुछ नहीं करना है sir. Clear everybody? So one thing, just let me check एक बार और कुछ छोटा कर सकते थे? Just 6 नहीं, ये भी जाएगा 6 से. No sir. No sir. अच्छा just a second. 6, 6, 12, 9 नहीं जाएगा. This will go. No sir. If meaning I was checking whether rather we could have bypassed this entire calculation, because many of you might not know. So if can we solve this just by looking at this 36 multiple of 36, multiple of 36, we are getting this as well as this. These two are not multiples, but these two are. So again, I cannot really say that this is going to work. Okay, now having said that, just a quick bit. So this practice that we are doing, na? So these are all part of the batch that we have just launched, the for CGL Tier 2 candidates especially. So this is the practice course you will get to see. That is part of our super elite subscription. Okay? Just you, if you want, you can definitely check this out. This is the Tier 2 crash course, which will cover both revision as well as practice. So this is the classes have started just from this week only. So again, if you want, so all the classes are listed here. You can go and check it out. So there will be, so you'll find the whole syllabus and stuff. And also, if someone is looking, sir, I'm about to start my preparation. So you can definitely go check out our super elite offerings. The foundation course also has started. The first batch has just started from this week itself. So again, only a few classes, 3-4 classes I've taken. So you can definitely go and join this batch. But again, the better option will be to go for the super elite subscription. You can visit the website or the app for more details. So with that being said, this will conclude our session for the day. Again, I'll see you guys next week. And till then, please take care and bye-bye from my end. And if you have liked this session, please do hit the like. And if you have any queries, any comments, any feedbacks, feel free to use the comment section for that. Thank you so much. Take care. I will see you guys in the next class. Bye-bye.